I think I may have a meeting with Sebastian later on. Let me check on my schedule before I forget. Finally some work done. Let me get ready to meet Sebastian.
How's things going, my friend? It's been a long time.
No complaints, my friend, all good. How's things on your side? Morning, Mr. Sebastian.
Good morning, Mr. Sebastian.
Morning, ladies.
That's good to hear, my friend. Something's really hectic on my side. Work very busy. I lately don't have time for myself. Hi, Rasta.
Hi man, how you doing?
Hey boy. I have to leave you now here. Okay. I'm just meeting someone very quick. I won't be long. Behave yourself, okay? Coming now, then we can play, okay?
I will take you now upstairs, sir. When you are ready.
How you been, Sebastian? Long time no see. How's everything?
Hi Peter, no complaints, been alright, things are looking
You
good.
need, okay? Don't worry. Keep them safe. If you need me, I'm just a call away.
For me, but I will call you in case of emergency. Why this dog barking like this? What's bothering him? Let me go downstairs and see what's happening. Come here, boy. Pencheli, come here. Pencheli, come here, boy. Why you barking so loud, Pencheli? It's very late, boy. You must not bark so loud, Pencheli. Is everything okay? Come here, boy. You want to play? We will play in the morning, okay, boy? We need to rest first. Pencheli, I have to go to bed now, boy. We have early morning duties to do tomorrow. We need to get some rest and stop barking. Okay. Let's go to bed now, Pencheli.
Oh man? Are you really watching that? That movie is hectic, bro.
No worries. This is kind of my stuff I like. I like scary movies.
Did boss mention anything to you? He told me when he's here we will need to talk about that blind man and his dog. Apparently his loaded man.
Here
Not
comes
much.
the boss. Let's see what he will say.
Yes, boss. You told us that the man has a dog after him. Why?
all the riches. Since he's blind, they got him a dog to look after him and every. Here is Pencheli. Where can this dog go to? Pencheli. Who's there? Doors open. Come in. Good day, sir. It's Officer John here. You did not hear any loud noise like an accident? No. I had some noise, but I wasn't sure that it was happening inside my house. Tell me, officer. What can you see that is damaged? What? Is my house okay? Where? It seems like they took everything here. Your TV clothes, also your safe is broken. Your dog is not waking up, sir. Sorry, but I have to tell you this. Your dog is dead. No. No. Pencheli. Who did this to you? No. 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 Now, sir. We'll report all this. And we will be on the lookout for the people who did this to you. Stay safe, sir. If you ever need help, kindly just contact me. Bye, sir.